We can turn various objects in our stories, such as images and text, into hyperlinks. Options for setting up a hyperlink can be defined in the More Actions menu for the object. Note that we can create a hyperlink that launches a mobile app, where the settings allow us to specify a URL that points to a specific location, an external website, where we can specify the URL and elect to have the site open in a new tab, a requirement for stories displayed in Digital Boardroom, another page in this story, either the first, next, previous, or last page, or a specific page defined by name, or a page from another story. Once the hyperlink is configured, we can switch to view mode to test it. The website opens in a new window. Note that we can turn many objects, including charts and tables, into hyperlinks. However, objects that users may want to interact with are not the best choice, as clicking anywhere in the object will launch the link. Thanks for watching.